Type is not assignable to type, TypeScript's most confusing error. Here's exactly how to read it. This error means TypeScript detected incompatible types. The value you're assigning doesn't match what the variable or parameter expects. Here, the user interface requires id to be a number, but the data object has id as a string. TypeScript catches this mismatch before it ever becomes a runtime bug. The error message has two key pieces: the source type, what TypeScript inferred from your value, and the target type, what was actually expected. Reading both tells you exactly what's clashing and where in your code. Now open the type definitions or interfaces involved and compare their shapes field by field. When types are nested, TypeScript prints a full error chain. Each indented level narrows down to which property is incompatible. Follow that chain to the deepest entry to find the true root cause of the mismatch. Once you've pinpointed the mismatch, you have three options. Correct the value to match the expected type. Update the type definition if the shape genuinely changed. Or use a type assertion as a last resort when you're certain the types are actually compatible at runtime. Always prefer the first two. Types not assignable means a shape mismatch. Read source to target, inspect your definitions, then fix the root cause. Try the next question below. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.